St. Patrick's Day. The time when the leprechauns go out and do their leprechaun things. I don't know what is the leprechaun thing do. I don't know. But anyways, maybe I can find a pot of gold. Yes, I'm rich. I'm really rich. Oh, you found me pot of gold. Wait, what the? Who are you? I'm a leprechaun. A leprechaun? Yes, you found me pot of gold. This is me pot of gold. Okay. So what do I do with it? Wait, can I have it? No, you get 3 wishes. Can I trade? No, you can't trade. The pot is mine, but the wishes are yours. How many wishes? 3. Are you sure you're not like some kind of... Oh. Are you sure you're a leprechaun? Yes, I'm a leprechaun. Why do you ask? Are you sure you're not like a genie? What do you mean a genie? Genie has the 3 wishes. These 3 wishes. I have to find a pot of gold to get these 3 wishes. Okay. Wish anything? Anything you want. No matter what it is. Don't care. Got an idea. Okay. I wish for 3 books of Lord of the Rings. Okay. Here we go. Lord of the Rings. Yes, I can get these books. I can read it. I haven't seen that movie for a while. You seen all 3 movies? Yep, 3 movies, all of them. Yeah, I even got it on iTunes. Oh, okay. I don't know what that is. Is that your second wish? No. No. Oh, I know my second wish. Okay, what is it? My second wish to have an iPad with a black cover. What's it? An iPad! Wow! A very iPad 2 or 1 or 3? iPad 2. I want the 3. You didn't say what kind of iPads. Oh, true. My last wish is... What your last wish will be? An invisible potion, which may be invisible. Okie dokie. An invisible potion! Why is it doing in the body shop? It did not say what kind of bottle it could be in, so we decided to just put it like that. Okay. But anyways, nice to know you. What's your name? Boomerang. Anyways, goodbye. Where did you go? What? Oh, I have 3 wishes. I'm gonna try this. Hey, it works! I'm invisible! Yay! I'm gonna play a prank on those pigs!
For the last time, there's no such thing as a leprechaun. But then how come I was separated? I'm so sure, and for the last time, for billions and billions of times, there's no such thing as... Oh my! It's a gold pot! Wait, was it a leprechaun? I don't know. But we're filthy rich. Wait. Ow! What the? What was that? Ow! Okay, fingers crossed. I'm scared. Ah!
Is it fake? This is fake.
Hey, this is phony. This place is haunted!
Ha! It worked! Ha 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 ha! I'm gonna do some more pranks. Thanks for watching the shot today. By the way, please put a comment down below to see what kind of pranks, invisible pranks, which I can do to the pigs. Please, that's a new series in the Angry Bird Show. Please. Anyways, goodbye. Subscribe and like.